Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Yasmin, and today if you heard, I'm moving, and I am in a camping chair. On Thursday, we're going to be sleeping in this house. Ooh. Okay, so that's what day you think. Okay, there's a lot of bad stuff there. So I'm going to give you a tour when it's empty and when it's not empty. Okay, all the furniture we have is a little camping chair, and this is the outside. So you want to start with that one first? Okay, so this is the pool. This is the stones, nice stones that you step on. And this is a little gap, and also there's another little there's lots of glass doors. Oh, sorry, I locked myself out. Okay, so this is the door. Okay, most of the doors are all like that, leading to outside. It's that door. And it just shuts like that. And yes, this is the bathroom downstairs next to the opening door. That's where it will be. Copycat. Stop it. Okay. And this is the bathroom. And this is the toilet. That's the toilet back seat. This is the sink, and this is the shower. And there's a broken glass they're going to fix. We're not going to be really using the bathroom down here. I mean, yeah, we are. This is my dad's little workshop. It's a bit cool, yeah. Have some cupboards there. And this is like a little maid's room. That's it. With a little bath, and this actually this is a cleaning room with bathroom at the back, and it goes to outside. Pretty cool, eh? So that's it. And this is the front of the house. So that's my dad's car, and this is it. That's what we travel on. This is my dad's car. Okay, and this is the whole front house. This is the front door and the garage door, so leading to my dad's workshop. Can you see me properly? Okay. So now I'm going to show you most of the floor. Okay. So this is going to be my little gaming room. Okay. It's not really a room, and this is the kitchen, and my sister's there. Okay, and it goes another door to outside. These are the cupboards, that's the oven, and the ovens, and that's the cupboards, and it's the oven, and you have to bring your own microwave. Okay, and I know, right? Okay, and this is a little sewage thing. This door, no use. Okay, and this is going to be the living room, dining room, living room, or whatever. And this is the stairways. Nice light up there, super cool. You just walk. Okay, and this is the guest room. These are all the cupboards. And this is the cupboard, and also there's this cupboard. You know what cupboards look like. Well, this one's actually different. This one has a mirror, and it's a cute thing leading to a little thing downstairs. I'll show you that when we go back downstairs. This is the bathroom, shower, toilet, sink. This is the gigantic balcony. Gigantic. Okay? So this is the guest room, and now we're going to be taking you to my mum's room and my dad's. And this is the boy. I think this is going to be my mum's door, my dad's door. It's pretty cool because at first we thought that was a shower, but it's actually a toilet. This is the shared bath, that's a shower. And this is the sink for the girl, sink for the boy, cupboard for the boy, cupboard for the girl, the toilet and a bath and shower. And yeah, really cool how they have these little soap things to put the soap in. And this is the other door. And it has another huge balcony that goes back there. Okay, so that's the other one. And this is another one going to that beautiful little thing right there. Okay. This is going to be my room next to my mum's room. And this is going to be my bathroom. It's going to be decorated and like fishes and that. This is my room, yeah. And this is the garden. The garden. So I think that's pretty cool. These are where my cabinets are. So, and I'm going to be taking you to my sister's room. This is a little room, and it has a bathroom, just like mine. It goes, and this actually goes to the front this time. And now, yes, they have some cabinets as well. And now I'm going to take you upstairs. We're still upstairs. Now on the first floor. Up. That's where, I don't know where that is. Up. Guess what's up here? Guess. Ta-da! A roof. Cool, right? A roof. It goes all the way down. There's stones up here. And I have plain feet. And that's what I have to fix. Okay? And this is a little thing if you put a table on. That's better. And that goes to there. So they're going to move this little thing right here. That like electricity thing. Did I knock myself? Okay. So we're not going to use the third floor. I think we might put fake grass up there. Pretty cool, right? And now I'm just going to go all the way down. Like I said, I was going to show you the little mini part. Like I said, looks beautiful. Go to the next stairs. Lots of stairs. Lots of floors. Okay, now we're downstairs. This is the little beautiful thing. You go outside. As I said, they have these doors that open. And it's very cool. So bye. Don't forget to subscribe, put your bells on, and like. Bye.